Place your sesame seeds in a hot pan and warm through for 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to burn them. When ready, take off heat. Place them in the blender and let them cool for around 3 minutes. Once cool, you're going to want to start blitzing and blending them together and keep doing it until it's like a powdery paste. So then we're going to add olive oil and salt and keep mixing until it resembles a thin paste. So we've been blending for quite a long time, and then this is what it should look like when the tahini paste is finished. Now, to make our flatbread dough, we're going to add Greek yogurt, flour, plain flour will do, and salt. Keep adding flour. Cover and let rest in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Crush some garlic and juice some lemon. Then you're going to add that to the chickpeas with a little bit of water. Then you're going to add your tahini paste, garlic and black pepper if you haven't already added your garlic. And it's done. It's that easy. You can eat it like that with garnish or save it for later. So now we're going to roll out our flatbreads and then we're going to cook them. Yay! And we're done. It's that easy. So as you can see, I garnished this with olive oil and chilli powder and a little bit of parsley. And we've got some olives, some salad, some ham, some butter, some cheese. And it's a really nice, homemade, not so difficult meal to make. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.
Cheers.